I like it. I think it came out pretty cool. What is up, guys? Get these put on today. Basically, it's a gas pedal and brake pedal covers. So I got these ones. I like the color since I have more outline red inside of the car, like that, and all around. So I thought these ones have like a little nice touch since I have a little red outlining on the interior of the RT. So I tried to put these on myself, brother. Nah. I mean, after about 5 minutes, I was like, I'm not going through it. I mean, I could have, you know, but I just figured I'd go to a brake shop and see if they can slap them on for me. I'd rather pay them $50 to do it than to go through all that crap. So yeah, just got these in yesterday, these bad boys, so I'll put these on. All right, guys, so I'm here at the brake shop. I'm gonna go ahead and get my my paddles, my new custom paddles installed. So I was gonna do it myself, but it's just like too crazy. You know what I mean? I just don't have time to be doing that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pay them real quick. I'm not gonna put it on, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it looks when it's done. All right, so yeah, this is basically how it came out. I think it looked pretty hard. Let's see, you can see all of it. Anyway, you can see it, but I like it. I think it came out pretty cool. Like I said, I just went to a place and had them mount them on for me. It was a brake place, a local brake shop, and it's like 5 minutes. Charged me $20, and boom, they're on. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. All right, guys, hope you go out and get the paddles if you have a Charger, Challenger, or any kind of Mopar vehicle, because it feels good when you drive and they look good. So, and it's not an expensive modification. Drop a comment below, and I'll be dropping more content.
Get